How does equilibrium shift when you change the temperature? And we've done this before. To know, you have to look at if the reaction is endothermic or exothermic, and if energy is a reactant or product. And this one is positive heat of reaction, so it's endothermic. So energy is a reactant. If we increase the temperature, the reaction will react to get rid of that. So it'll react to the right. We said that Kc does vary with temperature. The way that it varies depends on if the reaction is endothermic or exothermic. And this is pretty complicated. I don't memorize it to reason out unless what I do is think about if energy is a reactant or product and how it shifts that way. And remember that Kc is product over reactant. So in this case, we had an endothermic reaction. Energy was a reactant, so adding heat caused it to shift to the right, which would give us more products, which means that Kc would go up. And an exothermic reaction, of course, energy would be a product and it would shift to the left, which would be more reactants, and so Kc would get smaller. And then about catalysts. Catalysts can be shown over the arrow or under the arrow, but they apply to both reactions, the forward and the reverse, equally. So catalysts don't change the equilibrium concentrations. All they do is they help you, they change the time it takes to get there. You can get to equilibrium faster if you have a catalyst.